Mine tour booking information. A maximum of 15 people is allowed to tour the underground operation and the plant at a time. Group tour requests of more than 15 people will not be approved. In the booking form or letter of request, you are required to provide the following information: name of the organization or group, full names of all members of the group, identity numbers, Umang for Botswana and passport for foreigners, group leads' names and designation, residential address and contact details. Once the request has been approved and the date of the tour confirmed, an indemnity form will be forwarded to the leader of the group to complete and send back. Upon arrival at the mine, a safety, health and environment induction is then conducted by the SHE officer. All visitors undergo alcohol tests conducted by security before the mine tour. Personal protective equipment is a requirement when visiting our underground operation. MCM will provide the following PPE at the change house for the visitors to wear before the mine tour: safety boots, overalls, hard hat, reflective jacket, safety goggles, gloves. For all underground tours, the mine issues a rescue pack for emergency purposes. A rescue pack induction is conducted by the lamp room personnel to guide visitors on how the pack is used in case of emergency. Mine tour visitors register to go to the underground pickup point where underground shuttle cars will be waiting to take them underground. Background information on MCM coal mining. Murupula coal mine has a mining lease and covering approximately 42.5 hectares. The MCM lease area has a total inventory coal of 4,284.9 meters, both from indicated, inferred, and measured resource categories. The MCM resources is categorized under the following resources: MCM1, MCM2, MCM3 North, and MCM3 South. Murupula coal mine started mining in 1973 and has since extracted coal at the MCM1 resource using the underground mining method. The MCM1 resource is constituted by three main seams: Lotsane, number 2 seam, Murupula main seam. The current underground operation extracts coal at the Murupula main seam. MCM extracts coal using a remote-controlled continuous miner. The continuous miner has a large rotating steel drum equipped with tungsten carbide teeth which scraps out the coal, leaving pillars for primary support. This method is called room and pillar support mining method. The coal is loaded into electric shuttle cars. The cars use electricity and cables to move from the loading bay to a central place underground called the feeder breaker. At the feeder breaker, the coal is crushed and loaded into the underground conveyor belt that transports the coal from underground to a surface stockpile called the run of mine, ROM. The ROM stockpile feeds the coal into the crushing plant where the coal is further crushed and screened to different sizes. The screened coal is then moved to the wash plant by conveyor belts. At the wash plant, the coal is separated using the dense medium separation process, DMS. The product or coal will float and the sinks are taken for further processing. MCM produces coal of different sizes, being fines 0 to 14 millimeters, raw coal 0 to 32 millimeters, peas 14 to 32 millimeters, nuts 32 to 40 millimeters, and cobbles 40 to 75 millimeters.